Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Tired of running out of credits on your favorite AI video generators like VEO, Kling, or Runway? What if I told you there's a way to use a cutting edge model called Seedance without paying anything? No cracked software, no shady sites, just clever tricks that still work in 2025. Stick with me and I'll walk you through a step by step tutorial that includes how to access Gemini AI from any country, use Seedance from high quality videos, get unlimited credits, remove watermarks like a pro. Let's dive in. First, head to Google and type Gemini AI. Click the first result, but here's the catch. Gemini AI is officially launched in just a few countries, so if you're outside those zones, you might see an error or an available message. So no worries, we're going to fix that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to install a VPN extension like Urban VPN or Proton VPN. Then set your location to the USA, refresh the page, and there you go. You should now see the full Gemini AI interface. Gemini works well on both mobile and desktop. So next, what you're going to do is to click Create Now on the homepage. Choose Continue with Email. This is important because it allows you to use temporary email addresses for unlimited signups. So here's how to get temporary email. So go to a temp mail site like tempmail.org, copy the generated email right here, go back to Drumina and paste the generated email, type in your password, wait for the verification code, go back to temp mail, get the code down here, copy it, go back to Drumina and paste the code. Then you're in. So that's nice. We now have 750 free credits, which is enough to generate HD AI videos per account. Now, just a pro tip, you can create unlimited accounts using different temp emails, or if you prefer, switch between your regular Gmail accounts. Now, once inside, click on the AI video tab. You'll see options like AI image, AI avatar, mimic option coming soon. But for now, we'll stick to AI videos. So let's walk through the process. Let's prepare our video prompt. So you can write your own or you can use ChatGPT to generate cinematic prompts. And let's say create 10 cinematic prompts, text to video. And there you go. We now have our 10 cinematic text to video prompts designed to generate dramatic, visually striking, and emotionally engaging scenes using Gemini AI. So just pick the one you want and go back to Gemini and paste the prompt in the prompt box. So I paste it into the prompt box. Now right here, make sure you choose AI video and then choose video 3.0. It says right here, generate with video 3.0 by Seedance 1.0 mini. So click on video 3.0, aspect ratio 16 by 9, and how many seconds? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you want. But I'll choose 5 seconds only. And then after that, click on this star button right here to generate the video. So each video will cost 315 credits, and that gives you 2 videos per free account. So you'll be amazed at the output. This model competes with giants like VEO and Kling, smooth camera pans, realistic lighting, and even natural motion blur. And here's the result. So it looks like something out of a movie trailer. The quality is amazing. It looks very cinematic, and it just looks like I'm watching a movie. Now, if you want to add music, you can do that too. So there's a soundtrack option on the right side. So it says generate soundtrack. If you click on it, it costs 60 credits. You can customize it, the theme, the genre, the mood, etc. The system automatically matches the music to your theme, epic background for action scenes, calming sounds for nature shots, and more. So it's a great touch if you want to instantly make the video feel finished, like Google VEO 3. After the video is generated, you can click on download, but mind you, your video will have a Gemini watermark, but I have a solution for that to remove it without paying. So go to Google and search VMake AI watermark remover. Click the first link. Upload your video. Maximum is 5 seconds per clip. If your video is longer than 5 seconds, just split it into smaller clips using CapCut or any video editor. And just like that, you have clean, watermark free videos for free. And that's it. You now know how to access Gemini AI from anywhere. Use Seedance to generate jaw dropping videos, get free credits and unlimited videos, remove watermarks, and create video prompts that truly impress. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow creators. See you next time. Introducing VidCo. Untap your creativity with the best video AIs. Instantly create stunning videos, B-rolls, shorts, intros, and more. Powered by world-class AIs. Get access to top-end and exclusive video AIs like Minimax Video O1, Pyramid Flow, Kling AI, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper 2.5, One Video, Gen 3, VO2, etc. Dual function models included text to video and image to video. Create videos in any style or genre with text to video AIs. Turn any image into a motion video with the top image to video AIs. Any genre, any visual style, VidCo can create any video you want, including live action, hyper-realistic, photorealistic, 3D animation, cartoon, motion graphics, slow motion, pixel worlds, 2.5D visual, etc. VidCo is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get VidCo now. Just go to getvidco.in.